Hey everybody, welcome back. It is Real English with John. We're coming back today to give you some new vocabulary that's really based on some of my favorite things, machines. All of the vocabulary that you're going to hear today has this sort of connection with machines in general, but we can use them in ways that are not directly towards machines, especially as they are connected to us, humans. The first one we're looking at is to run hot or cold. Actually, this one's pretty direct in a lot of ways. For example, if your water is running hot, that means the temperature of the water is hot. We can also use this for people to run hot or cold. Like this year, I've realized that my body temperature is actually a little higher than normal. Now, I don't know if my actual inside body temperature is higher, but what I mean is I feel hot. I feel hotter than normal. I feel like I can't cool down as quickly as I used to. So I'm running hot. An example sentence of this would be something like, I always run pretty hot, so I have my AC on all the time. The next one we're looking at is for gears to be turning. And that just means to think, but it usually means to think stronger or more about something. Maybe you're really trying to think about something. It's a problem or a difficulty that you're having trouble figuring out. And so your gears are turning. An example of this would be, maybe you're at some sort of test and you look over and you see your classmate and you think to yourself, her gears are really turning. I wonder if she's going to be able to find the right answer. And similarly, for me, math always gets my gears turning. It is very difficult to figure out. I just have to think pretty hard about it. The next one also has the word gears. It's to grind one's gears. Grinding one's gears basically means something is annoying you or can annoy you. An example sentence is, people chewing loudly really grinds my gears. For our next one, we have the well-oiled machine. This is talking about a process or thing that really works well. For example, if you hire the right people for a business, it becomes a well-oiled machine. If you work out and you eat healthy and you stretch and exercise, your body can become a well-oiled machine. The next one we have is to be in a tight spot. Now, this could be literal, where you are in a spot that's very confining or small, but today we're talking about being in a tight spot, meaning being in a bad or a difficult situation. For example, if someone has a wedding anniversary and then they tell their boss that they can work that day on the anniversary, they're going to be in a tight spot. Either they're going to be in a tight spot when they tell their boss they can't work, or they tell their spouse they can't come to their anniversary dinner. And finally, we have nuts and bolts, or usually the nuts and bolts of something. This is talking about like the basic elements or the basic parts of something, the details of something, like going back down to the very basic levels. For example, if you have like a really big idea, a really big project idea, and you're all putting it together, you really need to start at the nuts and bolts of it. Yeah, you have your idea, but to actually make it happen, to actually make the project happen, you have to get into the nuts and bolts, the basics of what you need. Or you could think of it like this. For example, we could say, he really has a great imagination for business. He just has a hard time with the nuts and bolts. There we have it. 6 new words that are related to machines. It can be very helpful to put things like vocabulary or expressions into categories. That way your brain can access them a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to comment below on how you would use these 6 phrases. Well, really looking forward to seeing you guys next time. Have a great day now.